Get out of the plane. Get out of the plane. There you go. Boom. Is this the one? Oh, okay.
I don't know where he is. He's out of his mind, this guy.
You never seen him before?
Never seen him before.
And he's in our airplane.
I'm a part of the crew.
This is him?
Eric, he's walking around, opening hangars, playing with airplanes.
2593. Dude, what are you doing here?
Hi, what's your name?
Deputy Zacharias. What's your name?
My name is Ben.
Ben, what are you doing here?
I'm part of the crew. They're taking me up for a flight right now.
He's not part of the crew. He's been drag racing his pickup truck up and down the exit.
I'm his co-pilot.
You're not his co-pilot.
He's not a pilot. He's not a pilot.
I'm a co-pilot?
Oh, he's a trespasser.
Okay. Do you have ID on you?
No, I have nothing, sir. I have absolutely nothing on.
What's your purpose of being here right now?
To come on a plane ride.
Okay. Well, you can't just go on a plane ride. Okay. So you have to get out of it. They don't want you here.
He wants me here.
No. Do you want him
Ask
here?
him. Ask him.
Okay. They don't.
Man, he's a trespasser. He's been opening hangars and walking around getting into people's...
Ben, once you leave. No, Ben, don't use my
Run
car.
the bank.
Get out of here.
Hey, this is the new guy.
33. Who did the truck come back to?
It comes back to an Eric Bionda Gonzalez, born in 93 out of Zion, East Valley.
You got me.
10-4. Do you have any ID on you at all?
Maybe in here? I don't know. I haven't checked. Can you check? You go ahead and check.
Dude, he is out of his mind, so.
What do you guys want to do with me?
Well, they don't want you here.
I can leave if you want.
Well, that's what they wanted. They wanted you off the. They wanted you off the property.
People are saying you're going to take me for a play.
Who is?
That guy over there.
They don't want you here.
Ask him.
Sir, he's a trespasser.
I understand that, and I'm trying to take care of it.
Understand. Could you just either ask him to leave?
Yep, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing, sir. So it's time to leave. If you don't leave, then Eric, where are you going? Where are you going? Get out of the plane. Get out of the plane.
Go, 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 go!
Get out of the plane.
Good one, guys. Good one. Squeezing on the arm. The arm's bad. And I have a bad left leg. Like Christ. It's on the floor.
You're welcome. He just stepped into your plane and wouldn't get out, huh?
We've been opening hangars and getting in airplanes and picking up shit. We got a young lady here. We didn't want to leave without her.
A young lady? Just lay him down for a second. Okay. You got it. See, does he have anything now? Check. I'm over just a second. It's not really bad on that.
He came back to Eric, they said, right? He said his name was Ben, but...
Like Eric Estrada or something like that. Was that?
Yeah.
It was a Hispanic name, I don't know.
Oh my god.
Good job, Vince.
Huh. All you had to do was leave.
Just get up on your knees. It's really over.
Oh, you
get up
guys
on your
really
knees.
put cuffs on me?
You already have cuffs
Yeah,
on.
you get cuffs on you.
Jeez, hold on.
Get to your knee.
Nope, 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 the other way.
No?
Now put your knees down. Nope, this way.
Take that and then roll yourself up. There you go. There you go. You're going?
Stop! Stop resisting and stop trying to flee! I'm done, I swear. My arm.
What was that about?
My arm. I'm done. My arm hurts. My glasses. Oh, shoot. Oh. That's what it feels like. Damn. Stop. Okay, I'm done. 32, we've got one in custody.
10-4 subject in custody.
That was a good one.
He doesn't have any ID on him. You try and run fires.
Damn, it looks like a bad guy.
Let's get him in the back and just...
Yeah, I knew. Had me worried for a second. Oh my God.
What do you got? So hold on. Stop. Don't get in yet. Don't get in yet.
It's fine.
All right, put your feet in.
Oh, I've been here before. Like 2 times, 3 times?
You buckle, man?
I think it's 3 times. Well, we count the fair. I don't know if we count the fair. Maybe we count 10. I'm gonna just shut up. Oh,
Can you get the seatbelt from the other side?
weird. Oh.
Go slow with it, because it might lock.
Yep.
Thank you guys. What about the cuffs?
Oh, the cuffs are staying on yet.
Oh, the cuffs staying on? Oh, okay.
Alright, we're gonna take you off soon, Eric.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. Hey, Eric,
Yeah.
I'm having rescue come anyway, because you're
Okay.
acting a little different here.
No, I'm good. I just...
No, it's alright. I'm gonna have him come look at
Okay,
you. all
thank
right?
you. I
So-
appreciate it. I appreciate everything that's going on.
So, rescue's coming. I need to at
Okay.
least tell him, have you taken anything, any other drugs in your system? No alcohol? I don't smell any alcohol at least. Okay.
There's nothing, sir.
This time, I'm going to put you
Yeah.
on. Watch your glasses.
You got them? Or I got them?
They're right there.
Okay.
This time, I am going to put the seatbelt. You're going to leave the
That's
seatbelt
fine.
on, alright?
Could you... No, don't worry about it. I'm
Just
okay.
keep your...
No, it was the knee. I'm good.
That's your knee?
Yeah, it was the knee. Alright.
So-
I'm sorry.
I'll just leave this on. Per
Yes,
policy, you
yes.
have to wear a seatbelt. We
Okay.
all do. It's state law.
You got it. I'm sorry about that.
Alright.
I tried to put it on.
Alright.
Okay. What's your favorite caliber? Come on, give me a bone. Something. Come on. You guys know everything about me. Let's see. My first pistol was a 40. What about yours?
357
Sig? Oh, what? Aren't those compared to, what did they compare them to? Are they supposed to be similar to an actual 357, am I not mistaken?
They actually
Or no?
form close to a 10 mil.
A 10?
Yeah, some of the rounds do.
Oh, some around? Wow. But you wouldn't prefer a 10 millimeter?
What?
You don't like a 10 millimeter?
I never shot 10.
No, me neither.
But ballistics wise, if you read the stats, it's similar.
Oh, it's similar? Wow. Because I wanted a bear pistol, but I was looking at 10 millimeters. I don't know what other calibers there are out there, actually. How'd you like that flip? Pretty good? Oh, yeah. No, you loved it. You're like, yeah, this guy. You said, I'm going to handle him. You said, don't worry, boys. I'll take care of him. It's cool. I deserve it. I know what I did. And I'm sorry. Man, these cuffs are horrible. I think I'm gonna say this is the longest time I've ever had cuffs on me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm gonna say so. Thanks, guys. Yeah, they've always been on and off real fast, but not this time. I didn't know my shoulders could get sore from being in one spot.
We're almost there.
No, you're good. I'm just a little complaining. I'm just not used to it.
I know they're not built for comfort. We know that.
No, yeah. Oh, okay, gotcha.
You understand what's going on?
Yeah, I completely understand. I just.
Well, I'll let you know.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to piece things together, you know.
Screen this with the state, but
Oh, I'm sorry.
you're charged with criminal trespass. If you were told to leave, you didn't leave, then you ran into the plane. So.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Then you had those.
I get it. I'm so sorry. I get it.
You don't have a FOI.
No, I don't have nothing.
Ammunition.
Yeah, you're right.
Give you a couple charges, but
Okay.
whatever it ends up being, I'll make sure you understand what's going on. All right.
Thank you.
The suspect was charged with trespassing, resisting arrest, obstruction of